Good morning, guys. We ran to a couple different stores on Memorial Day weekend. This particular pickup would be from Only Bangs in Gary, Indiana. Fabo, the owner, awesome dude to talk to. Super respectable, super smart, knows his stuff, expanding constantly. Excellent store to deal with. Good selection of stuff. But anyways, we'll just go ahead and get right into it. He had a bunch of these tiny cakes. Planet X, Arcade Classics, $4.99, or 6 of them for $20. So, got a couple of them. This one's a Hardcore Pyro Neon Purple. Got another Neon Purple. Another Arcade Classics. And then this one was a different wrap. So, Gold Breaks, Color Peonies. This one says Red Whistling Green Breaks. So those will be pretty sweet. He also, on the slightly larger ones, was running a deal 5 for $25. The ones that are like $6.99. He threw in Snafu for free. So that's awesome. A Snakebite 9-shot. Red Tail Burst, Red Peony with White Strobe, Green Tail Burst, Green Cocoa with Cracker. Sunwing, by the way, guys. I got a High Noon. Green Tail Burst, Yellow Peony, Green Strobe, Red Tail Burst, Purple Cocoa, Time Rain, Green Tail Burst, Brocade Crown. So, and then Blue Bonnet. Which would be Red Tail Burst Blue Peony with White Strobe, Green Tail Burst Yellow Cocoa with Cracker. I'm assuming that just means Crackle. Got the Cactus Bloom, Red Tail Burst Silver Cocoa with Red Strobe, Green Tail Burst Colorful Peony, and Green Tail Burst Chrysanthemum. And Wild Stallion. Green Tail Burst Titanium Gold Cocoa with Green Strobe, Green Tail Burst Red Cocoa with Time Rain. So as far as small cakes, that's all I got. We did have the ginormous Gray Balls of Fire Roman candles. I believe these are all Salute. So now I've got 3 different kinds of those ginormous ones. He had the Ball Breaker Rockets. These are awesome little actual ball shells. Pretty good motor on them. Real nice break. And then the SpaceX rockets. Are these even branded? No. SpaceX rockets 2 for 20 or 2 for 50. So didn't pick up too much. Like I said, guys, we were on a budget. I hit a couple different stores in one day, so I had to save money. But anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out these guys at Only Bangs in Gary, Indiana.